Good morning.
Hey, it's me.
Today is Thursday and I'm already here to start. I didn't just get here. I was actually on the phone with my mom while I was opening up and I decided to kind of move everything around, kind of organize the colors like I was doing, like I did yesterday to the back. So that is probably in the video before this one, so if you want to check that out. But I was just organizing things and kind of doing that. And yesterday I was in an all black outfit. Today I'm in a very light outfit, very light colors. And I'm a little tired, didn't get a good sleep, so I'll give you more updates throughout the day. Today's outfit is the Shayda Jahaza dress. I love this dress. This dress is so pretty. Last time I wore it with black accessories, but I was like, yesterday I wore all black. Today, let's be sweet, you know? So I'm wearing the dress. I paired it with my white harness because I love the contrast of such a delicate dress with something much harsher, like the leather of the piece and also the combat boots. But I still wanted to keep a lot of very delicate accessories, like the cardigan that also has the pearl details, the necklace, my Vivienne Westwood necklace. I love this one so much. And then the earrings, both of them also have some pearls to it. So that's kind of what I was going for. So here's one last look. And the cardigan is also from Perfect Way too. It's from Perfect Way, and the dress is also available here in the store too. Now let me show you around the store. So yesterday you saw me doing this part. Hi. And now I organized kind of all of the shirts kind of in their respective colors. I do think that there's a lot of black here, but for now I'm gonna leave it like this because we are going to get a lot more summer stuff. So I didn't want to, because the winter pieces, they tend to be very bulky. So it's not looking exactly how I want it because I still need to get rid of these pieces. These are all in a 25% promotion on our website right now. So if you want to grab these really cute pieces, look at this one. You can just go over there. It will be automatically 25% off when you go to checkout, okay? So all of these are 25% off, and then I also have some t-shirts. The t-shirts are not in the promotion, just to let you know, but they're also really cute. Look at this one. Okay, and here we have some longer dresses. Some of our jumpsuits. Jumpsuits are kind of tricky to have in the store because some of them are really long, like this one. What's up with I think it might be a cultural thing, but in Brazil, it's very normal for us to if you get something especially being shorter, for us it's always very normal for us to be oh, this is long, because they kind of make it being able to adapt to who's taller, and if you're shorter you can cut it off. So in order to not leave a lot of the population without finding cute clothes for them to wear, they usually make certain things longer, and then us shorter girls, we just go and get it cut, because also over there it's very normal for us on the culture, and I know that's not just Brazil, there's other places too, but it's very normal for you to kind of if something doesn't quite fit the way that you want to, it's very normal for us to get it adjusted to our bodies so it can fit exactly how we want it. So for us, it's not a big deal if something is longer, or but I noticed here in the US that if something is too long for somebody, they're no, it's not for me. And and I asked one of my friends that's American, and she was oh, it's just not really our thing. We want to have to we need to get it we want to get and go, grab it and go. And I'm that kind of feels weird that you're just wouldn't buy something that you because you don't want to have to go through the getting it cut. So I don't know if you have an opinion about that. If you're Brazilian American or from a different country, tell me how it is in your country too, because that was always something that I thought it was like funny, because in Brazil it's also like it's very normal for us to pretty much like customize things, not in like customize like in a big way, but like just change, like, oh, if something's a little bit too loose down here, like, but it fits very well on other places, we're just gonna get this part adjusted, we're going to cut the hem and all that jazz. Yeah, so let me know. Now let me go back to showing you. So here are some of the sets that we have. This is a lot of black too, but just remembering that these are super bulky. These are 2 pieces and they take up like this whole space. And these are also long sleeve. But we also have like the fuel over here, kind of going into the gradient too. And then over here, we also have like, I feel like it's much more organized, like these sections. And I love how this part looks. This part looks, to me, it looks the cutest, especially with the white dresses. And you can still kind of see a lot of the pieces. The back has like a few black dresses, but we don't have that many right now. Still in love with this one, might wear it this week. Yeah, so here I left the same, here I left the same. They are also the same. And I did change the mannequins earlier this week to fit into a more green theme. Yeah, and then this is the other one. Can you see it? And I just threw on like a little jacket on it. Who wore it better, the mannequin or me? I styled mine, you didn't. Hello, loves. So right now it's not super late in the day, but it's not morning anymore. It's like a little past noon. So I'm here at the store, kind of tired. I think you can kind of see a little bit of like the under eye dark circles. Yeah, I'm a little tired. I don't know what's been going on with my sleep schedule. Today is not a super pretty day, but it's also not raining. And well, I think there's going to be more people walking around pretty soon. I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling today. I'm kind of feeling, you know, like those days where you're kind of feeling neutral, like you're not feeling happy, but you're also not sad. You're just neutral. Yeah, that's kind of how I am today. Or at least that's how I'm like leaning more towards. This week has been a little bit tiring, not gonna lie, a little bit hard mentally, more. So I think that's mostly how I can describe it without like making myself feel bad, because like, you know, I'm trying to keep the good spirits up, but I'm also going to be very honest and open, because like I like these videos and I like making the videos, but I also like to be very honest in them. So I'm not gonna lie, on the weeks that I'm not feeling too good, not going to pretend that I'm like 100%, because it's just not worth it to pretend when you're trying to put out content where you're talking about how you feel and how, like, I know I talk more about fashion, but I think everything's kind of connected into who you are as a person. And so putting on like just this like facade that pretends that nothing's wrong, I think it's counterproductive, maybe, you know. That's why I'm going to talk about even the days that I'm not feeling so good. And this week has not been an easy week. Last week it was not an easy week, but it was mostly because I was sick. Most of the week I was definitely very, very sick, and this week has just been a little bit hard, like mentally. So, but I'm getting better. I'm getting some exciting things. There's going to be Água de Rosa's fashion show next month in Brazil. I'm really, really wishing I can go. I'm trying to organize everything to see if I'm going to be able to go, because it would be awesome. But I'm not too sure yet, so I'm not going to make any promises. But if I'm able to do that, it would be amazing to have like some Brazil vlogs and also be able to see my mom and hang out with her. But yeah, I've been talking for 3 minutes since I actually started this. Almost 3 minutes. So let me do my outfit of the day. Today's outfit, I pulled out like what has been happening. Like Wednesday I was wearing all black. Thursday I was wearing all white, and today I'm wearing all black again. It wasn't on purpose, I swear. But today I'm wearing the Dream Love, something like that dress. This one's sold out, but I still love it, and I'll still wear it because clothes are meant to be worn, you know? And I put it on with my harness. I love it. I love it. And like, so it gives a little detail here. Paired it with my artisan jewelry set. This is the Maya set. Gold hoops. A little extra like cup over there because like the necklace also has like mixed metals. Amazon cardigan. Jade and Doc Martens. And 2 rings on this finger. And I also put my this like leather bracelet that I got from Amazon. Just as a little detail. And I think that's today's outfit. That's it. Good morning. Today is Saturday, and it's really bright outside right now. The sun is kind of going in and out. The clouds are taking the sun away sometimes, but we're here. I think my energy is kind of low, and you can kind of see it. I think like this week has not been easy, and I kind of talked about that yesterday a little bit more, but getting through it. We're gonna get through it. We're gonna keep doing. Head up. Let's go. Let me start with my outfit of the day, because that's one of my favorite things, is getting dressed. Today's outfit. This is an oldie but a goodie, okay? This dress, and this is kind of like a proud moment for me, because this dress is from Michael Kors, and I got this dress in very early 2019. I know that I got it the year that I got married. And my mom has one just like this one. So me and her, we have very similar tastes, but we definitely style things very differently. Well, next time I'm in Brazil, I'm gonna try to see if both of us can wear like the same dress, but style it different, just so I can show you guys. Yeah, so this dress, last time I wore it, like this dress, I still put it on with like a slip underneath it. This is just like literally a navy slip that I put on underneath it, even though the dress is actually lined, so nothing's showing. But because this part sometimes open, but what I was gonna say that is a really proud moment is the last time I actually wore this dress, this part over here wasn't closing that well because like it has like a little pin over here. I don't know if it's a pin or something, but it wasn't closing that well. It was kind of like very open. It was very tight. It wasn't just fitting very well. So today I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this dress on because I love the color. I love blue, and I tried it on and it's fitting very well again. So super excited, super proud. Paired it with my Gucci belt because I love it, and kept the shoes kind of simple. But hey, I'm not wearing Doc Martens today. I'm actually wearing my Michael Kors like booties that just have like the little detail on the side. I love this one. It's super comfy. I do need to clean it though because it's kind of dirty over there. And my longer cardigan because it's super comfy. I still want it to be very cozy. And the necklace is from Artisan Jewelry. And gold hoops. I didn't put the second piercing today because this ear for some reason is hurting a little bit. I think I pulled it last night. So yeah, when I was taking off the earrings, I kind of hurt it. So that's today's outfit, and let's go. Look who came to visit me today. Hi, Dad. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's go. We're going out for dinner, maybe some wine, and it's already night. So today was kind of busy. I was running around, so I didn't film that much, but I'll show you our dinner. So